Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix if your SteelSeries GG moment's lagging or doesn't detect game. So what you'll need to do is enable auto clipping, as you can see, and you will see your games right here. And you should select your game and see if this enabled, like on victory elimination or multi-knock. As you can see, if I play, let's say, Counter-Strike 2, if I get 3 kills in a round, so make sure that is selected, and all of these are selected. And then what you can do is go to the settings, scroll down until you see moments, and here you'll see game detection. You can add a game manually or automatically scan games, and let's say, as I said, I want to play Counter-Strike 2 and clip it. Make sure to capture on, and if that doesn't work too, you may need to use another version. So just go to the capture and sound, and here where it says video capture engine version, you can change that to capture engine 2.4 like the previous one, and that's how you change the version, and you'll see if that helps. Also, what you can change to make it better, you can just start desktop capture, and that should capture your game. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.